A superb teacher is somebody who really just helps students excel in their learning, builds relationships with them, collaborates with other staff members. And so when we think of Miss Smart, she defines all those pieces.
I love being a teacher because I know that I'm working with the future. I'm working with the stepping stones, whatever foundation they get at the beginning, and I'm glad to be the first foundation, the first person that they encounter, the first experience. And then they become more abstract once they get to move on to upper grades. So they need to get their hands dirty. So I want them to experience everything, the leaves, the dirt, the flowers, the sun. We talk about everything. And it has to be impactful, and it has to be meaningful, and it has to be relatable. And along that way, they have to also embrace who they are, embrace their culture, embrace community, embrace socializing. And so this is where they get it.
You know, she's a pre-K teacher, pre-K dual language teacher, and some of them don't have the oracy. And by the end of the year, the students that you see come out of her classroom are more than prepared. And the academic language that she builds with her students, and then she scaffolds all this learning. By the time they leave kinder, a lot of them are reading at grade level or beyond.
If they cannot experience it, if they don't experience it, they can't write about it or talk about it or read about it. So dual language just gives them the solid foundation, but it's cultural awareness, it's diversity, it's embracing who they are, their language, their culture, bringing all those components. My kids come from all kinds. They come from Puerto Rico, they come from Mexico, from Honduras, so we just keep adding. We just keep adding another word. Another word for mochila, and then for a backpack, and we just keep adding. We never take anything away. So that's, for me, dual language does that. I have the best team. Talking about teachers, all of our aides, Ms. Martinez, she has been amazing.
She brings in the real world every day so that the students that might not have those experiences outside of her room get to have that same experience as everybody else. It's been amazing to watch her kids grow.
Amo la clase de Miss Smart porque yo quiero mucho a Miss Smart. I like Miss Smart class.
I'm just passionate about learning and teaching and setting high expectations. And for me, the most important thing is for them to meet or to reach their maximum potential.